Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a market analysis with MarketWatch, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by opening your web browser. Type marketwatch.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the site loads, you'll see a variety of market-related information on the home page. Look for the search bar at the top right corner of the page. Enter the name of the stock or market you want to analyze and press enter. Review the search results and click on the relevant stock or index.
You'll be taken to a dedicated page for that stock, displaying essential information. Scroll down to find the overview section, which includes current price, market cap, and volume. Next, locate the news section to read the latest updates related to that stock.
To gain insights into historical performance, navigate to the chart section. Here, you can customize the time frame for the stock's price history. Select different time intervals to see trends over various periods. Now, look for the Analysis tab on the page. This section provides expert opinions on the stock's outlook.
Take note of the ratings and target prices from analysts.
Return to the home page and find the Markets tab. This will give you a broader view of various indices and sectors. Explore the different links to understand market trends and economic news.
Use the bonds or commodities sections to expand your analysis further. Once you gather your data, summarize the key points on a separate document. Include current prices, analyst ratings, and major news articles.
This summary will help you create a comprehensive market analysis. Finally, save your document for future reference. You're now ready to use this analysis for investment decisions or further research.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.